So Doug says, asking about the ceramic glass top and why not iron. So Doug, it's a good question. So my choice would be ceramic glass or iron, not steel. People always email me and ask about steel. Steel, I think, is a terrible choice. It moves a lot, shrinks and expands and warps. But iron's stable, and so is glass. So the reason I use the glass is because I can salvage it. It's free, and I like the way it cooks. It heats up so fast. It blasts heat into the room. I think it puts more heat into the room than cast iron, to be honest. I think it radiates more heat. It's a really good material, and it's typically free. So that's why I like the ceramic glass, but I would just as quickly recommend cast iron. Cast iron is pretty expensive, even to find it salvage. People take cast iron tops off of wood stoves and stuff like that, and so it's hard to find for free. But if you got an old cook stove or something like that with a cast iron top, or just a cast iron griddle, makes a great top for a stove. So there's my answer to that. Either is great.